MasterLock, we have a problem. Apparently you didn't test these padlocks in cold weather. It's only 8 below zero here, which is not all that cold for Minnesota. And this brand new lock, which I purchased this weekend because it seemed tough enough to be outside, is frozen. It's not wet, it hasn't rained. The cap was on it, but I'm not a fan of the way this opens. You're supposed to push it up and then it unlocks, and it's not unlocking. It's not just this one. I have another one on the other side here. Same thing, the right combination's in there. Will not open. There. Alright, so there's one. Yeah, I got the right combination. Not open. Camera's freezing up. There. Way to go, Master.